Hey hustlers, Miles here, and in today's video I'm just going to share my progress with Etsy for the month of February and a couple of things I've been trying out recently. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome to Hustle Endeavor. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. So if you've been following the channel, you'll know that in January on Etsy I did a little over $6,000. This month, considering it's a shorter month as well, I've done a little over $9,000. So there are a couple of things that I've been experimenting with last month which I believe contributed to my results, namely promoted listings and Google shopping ads. So let's start with Google Shopping. There's a lot of people that have said that it's not worth using Google Shopping on Etsy. They haven't had really good results. I always go with the mentality that you should always try something at least once, because if you don't try it yourself, you'll never know. So over the course of the month, I set a budget of $1 per day, and I've had pretty good results with it. I spent $28 and generated $266. Not a bad ROI. I'm still playing around with it this month. I'm taking a further dive on it, so I'll keep you posted on that. So let's talk about promoted listings. If you're not using promoted listings currently with your Etsy store, you definitely should be. I've had great results using it before. You can set your daily budget to as low as $1 per day, which will work out to around $30 per month. If you're doing things right, you should easily be able to make a good ROI with it. So this month, I increased my daily budget. I was playing around with different daily budgets over the course of the month, but I settled on $20 per day, which seemed to give me the best ROI. As you can see from the screen, I spent a little over $460. I got 71 orders, and I made around $136. If we do the math, you can see I'm spending roughly $6 per order to make a sale. Now, some of you may think that's quite high, considering I'm using a print-on-demand company, but because I've priced my products on the higher end, it allows me the wiggle room to spend that much and still make a decent profit. So what are the plans for this month? Well, I'm going to be adding more products to the store. I'm also going to be looking into products that I could potentially sell for a much higher price, probably in the $60 to $100 range. If they make sense, I'll add them to my store. I'm also going to be playing around with promoted listings to see if I can get my costs down and make more sales. So I'll keep you posted with that. So there you have it. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let me know in the comments how you're getting on with your Etsy stores and if there's any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.